Hi guys, welcome back to Subhash English channel. Today topic how to start speak English. My dear guys, if you want to start speaking English, so you need to just start and know yourself. So my dear guys, if you want to learn English language, so you need to just start practice now. The only best practice. My dear guys, if you want to really learn English language, so you need to just start at home practice. If you daily and practice at home, then one day you can become a public speaker. My dear guys, everyone person they only learn to English language. They know very well why do I want to learn English language. If you know these things, why do I want to learn English language, so you can learn English language. There are many students, there are many people don't know why do I want to learn English language. If you have this clear why do I want to learn English language, if you have this why clear, then one day you can become a public speaker. You can become a one day public English speaker. So my dear, English is not just a difficult language. English is a easy language. My dear student, I want to share my opinions. My dear, if you want to learn English language, so you need to just start practice now. If you know little bit sentence, then just start speaking now. When will you start a little bit sentence through, then one day you can become a great speak English. But if you don't know how to speak English with confidently, my dear guys, so you cannot learn English language. And a person the only learning English language, they only have to force yourself. If you force yourself, then you can learn English language. You need to force yourself. You need to work on yourself. You need to work on your mindset. If you think about English language, if you have learning desire, we can say if you have learning desire related to learning English language, so you can learn English language. So thanks for watching my video guys.